The 34th Kalachakra Initiation by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which has attracted over 200,000 devotees from more than 92 countries, is special for many reasons. The initiation is taking place in Bodh Gaya, the land where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Organized by the Central Tibetan Administration for the first time in the exile history, the entire sessions of the 13-day initiation were streamed live. According to the Tibetan political leader Sikyong Dr. Lobsang Sengye, besides the 200,000 devotees attending the teaching in Bodh Gaya, there are over 150,000 people from all over the world participating in the spiritual event through live broadcast. The Office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama broadcast the Kalachakra Initiation in 8 different languages: English, Chinese, Tibetan, Vietnamese, Hindi, Korean, Russian and Mongolian. Tibet TV, the Central Tibetan Administration's official web station, streamed the teachings live on its YouTube channel and Facebook page.
This is the first time we used the Facebook live video feature for Kalachakra, and Tibet TV Facebook page registered a record of 3 million reach during the Kalachakra and over 200,000 views for a single broadcast.
We are extremely happy and feel blessed to have this sacred opportunity to live stream the Kalachakra teaching straight from Bodh Gaya. So the response we are receiving is overwhelming. We are inundated with online messages from viewers across the world, from China to Chile, South Africa to Sri Lanka, thanking us for the live stream straight from Bodh Gaya.
For the Tibetans inside Tibet who could not attend the Kalachakra initiation owing to travel restrictions imposed by the Chinese government, His Holiness the Dalai Lama assured them of receiving the empowerment. On the first day of the actual Kalachakra initiation, while remembering the devotees, especially from Tibet and China, who could not attend the ceremony personally due to circumstances beyond their control, His Holiness said that as a result of their devotion, by following the proceedings and by directing their minds towards Him, they will receive the empowerment even at distance. His Holiness compared this to Vinaya procedures for granting remote ordination. Beijing-based Tibetan writer Tsering Weser, winner of 2010 Courage in Journalism Award, expressed her indomitable faith in His Holiness the Dalai Lama and her spiritual fulfillment over having received the Kalachakra initiation through the live webcast. Tibet-based Tibetan writer Tashi Rabden, known as Therang, shared a moving image of an elderly Tibetan woman in Tibet receiving the Kalachakra teaching online and wrote, "Travel permits can be seized, but the devotion in our heart cannot be subdued." The Central Tibetan Administration has made arrangements for public screening of live event for the people in the Tibetan settlements in India.
Hello, Tashi Delek, and all those watching live on Tibet TV in settlements around the world, particularly to those who are in Tibet. Many of them who came to India but under tremendous pressure had to leave back home. Nonetheless, His Holiness has blessed them by saying that they will receive Kalachakra teaching from the ground of Bodh Gaya all the way to Tibet and all around the world.
Organized screening of live stream were also arranged by volunteer groups in India, Nepal and the United States.
The live broadcast of the Kalachakra is a successful model of connecting faith through technology. By leveraging technology and internet, we have been able to reach out to a global audience, including devotees in Tibet and in China, and offer them the divine gift of virtual participation in the very auspicious Kalachakra initiation.